Okay, here it goes. We're going to go to Puerto Vallarta for the first time. It's going to be something completely different than Sayulita, Bucieros, and also Junimita, because obviously those towns are much smaller. This is much bigger, including an international airport, the one that I flew in when I got here about a month ago, and Starbucks. Not that that's a necessary experience that I'll need. It should be interesting to see what the differences are and what we can do. Now, hopefully I can get a shirt when I'm down there. I don't know. So, here we go. We're going to go to Puerto Vallarta.
Okay. 4 de cambio.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Cobblestone streets and old school Puerto Vallarta. Super cool. These places, man, look at this. This is just incredible to see this kind of art, this kind of detail. I mean, it's insane.
I think it's awesome.
just drove past a yacht owned by a guy from Montana, Missoula, Montana. He's worth $6 billion, and the yacht is 332 feet long. It's pretty crazy. I just showed it in the video. He's 85 years old, and he's worth $6 billion. Okay, so that was downtown Puerto Vallarta, and it was very interesting all throughout the day. I really enjoyed it. Anything and everything is for sale at every level, whether it's you just walking, trying to get a taxi or whatever. So everything is for sale. There is no breathing room. It's not like you can just go into the art stores and just look. All about buying. Downtown Puerto Vallarta was really fun, and I was able to see a really cool church. I really enjoyed that, and hung out with my really good friend Steve. Here he is, yeah, having coffee, so he's alert for the 1 hour drive home to Sayulita. So it's really busy here. It's definitely a beautiful town. Night and day difference between the old and the new. The old town Puerto Vallarta and the new town Puerto Vallarta. Here is the car, right here.